Mia, you mentioned shadowing changed your pronunciation completely. What exactly is shadowing?
Shadowing is when you listen to English audio and repeat it immediately, almost simultaneously, like an echo.
You mean I speak along with the audio?
Yes, with just a tiny delay, like half a second behind. You're copying everything: words, tone, speed, intonation.
Why is this so effective?
Because you're training your mouth muscles and your brain simultaneously to produce native-like speech.
It sounds difficult. How do you keep up with native speed?
You start slow. Choose content you can almost keep pace with, not the fastest speakers.
What's good beginner content for shadowing?
Children's shows, slow podcasts, learning materials designed for English learners, clear, deliberate speech.
And as you improve?
You gradually move to normal speed content, then fast speakers, then different accents.
Let's break down the shadowing process step by step.
Step 1, choose a 1 to 2 minute audio or video clip, something interesting to you.
Why only 1 to 2 minutes?
Because you'll repeat it many times. Long content becomes exhausting.
Step 2,
Listen once completely without speaking. Just focus on understanding and hearing the patterns.
Step 3,
Play it again and try to shadow. Speak along with the audio, matching everything as closely as possible.
do I need to understand every word?
Not initially. You can shadow phonetically, just copying the sounds even if you don't know meanings yet.
Step 4,
Repeat the same clip 5 to 10 times in one session. Each time, your accuracy improves.
do I shadow every day?
Ideally, even 10 minutes of daily shadowing produces amazing results.
What specifically improves with shadowing?
Pronunciation, rhythm, intonation, word stress, connected speech, and speaking speed.
That's everything needed for natural-sounding English.
Exactly. Shadowing is comprehensive oral training.
Let's talk about common shadowing mistakes.
Mistake 1, choosing content way too difficult. If you can't keep up at all, it's too hard.
You get frustrated and give up?
Yes, start with your level, not above it.
Mistake 2,
Not actually repeating out loud. Some people just mouth the words silently.
but you need to train your actual voice and muscles?
Exactly. Speak out loud at full volume for maximum benefit.
Mistake 3,
Giving up after one try. Shadowing feels awkward initially. You stumble, you can't keep up, you feel silly.
but it gets easier with practice?
Much easier. By the third session, you'll notice huge improvement.
What's the best time of day for shadowing?
Morning is great. Your voice is fresh, your brain is alert.
Can you shadow during commute or while doing chores?
Commute, yes. Chores, only if you can focus. Shadowing requires concentration.
Let's give specific content recommendations.
For beginners, Extra English Series, VOA Learning English, simple TED-Ed videos.
For intermediate?
Regular TED Talks, news broadcasts, podcast interviews, TV show dialogue.
For advanced?
Fast-paced comedy, rapid conversations, different accents, technical content.
Should I shadow the same content repeatedly or always use new content?
Both. Use the same clip multiple times until you master it. Then move to new content.
How long before you notice improvement?
I noticed changes after 1 week. My mouth felt more comfortable making English sounds.
And long-term results?
After 3 months, native speakers stopped asking, "Where are you from?" My accent improved that much.
That's incredible. Can shadowing help with listening comprehension too?
Absolutely. When you can produce the sounds, you can hear them better.
So it's not just about speaking.
Exactly. Shadowing trains both output and input.
Let's create a 7-day shadowing challenge for everyone watching.
Day 1, shadow for 5 minutes with beginner content. Just get comfortable with the technique.
Day 2, same content, 10 minutes. Try to match pronunciation more closely.
Day 3, same content, Focus specifically on intonation patterns.
Day 4, new content, back to 5 minutes to test your skill.
Day 5, that same new content, 10 minutes, improving accuracy.
Day 6, try slightly faster or more difficult content. Challenge yourself.
Day 7, record yourself shadowing, listen back, and compare to the original audio.
That recording comparison shows your progress.
All right, everyone, find a 2-minute video right now and shadow it.
Start today, not tomorrow. The sooner you start, the sooner you improve.
Comment which video or audio you chose to shadow.
See you in the next video.
Shadow your way to fluency.